All right, how's everybody doing out there? Today, Dan Muscarella is going to show you how to put a printer back on your teacher device after you've had that thing reimaged. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go in the lower left-hand corner into your search bar, and you're going to type in 2 followed by the 3 letters that are there for your school. Then you're going to type dash and then FS, hitting enter after that. Now you're going to get an entire catalog here of all the printers that are hooked up to your school, and any printer you want to connect to, you're going to have to repeat this process for every single one. So if there's 4 printers you want to connect to for your school, you're going to have to do that for every single one. So say I'm going to connect to this printer right here. Now the first time it does this, I'm going to go through and wait for it to connect, and then I'm going to maybe get this issue here, not issue, but you're going to get this question. You're just going to select yes. You want to allow to make changes to your device. So you'll go through that, and it'll be on there. And this is BRH Spage-COL. So COL stands for color, and LJ stands for LaserJet. Now, one issue you may have when you're trying to print, because this happens from time to time, if you switch rooms or move to another location, you want to double check that you are on the secure network. So if that's one thing you want to double check. So when you click on the little icon down here on your file tray to see what network you're on, make sure you are on the secured and connected LCPS network. Now when you want to test to see if you got something if that printer took, you'll open up Microsoft Word or PDF or anything else that you'd like to do, and you just go to File and then down here to Print. And that printer, when you click on the available list of printers in here, that should be there. And you can see this one that I just installed, and the printer status does say ready. So I could go ahead and print this however I want, and be mindful, save some paper, print on both sides if it's a 2-sided thing. So that's how you can reinstall a printer back onto your device after you've had your teacher device reimaged. All right, thank you guys for watching. Make it a great day as always, and I'll catch up with you soon. Peace out.